Custom House, Woolwich and Abbey Wood. This train is formed of 9 coaches. Due to short platforms, passengers for Langley should board the front 7 coaches. This train is formed of 9 coaches. Due to short platforms, passengers for Langley should board the front 7 coaches. Passengers for Ivor and Hayes and Harlington should board the front 8 coaches. Change at Hayes and Harlington for services to Heathrow Airport. Please note, some of the lifts at Ivor are currently out of service. Please speak to a member of staff if you need further assistance. There are usually plenty of seats available on this service. This train is currently between Taplow and Burnham. This is your Transport for London travel information. There is a planned closure on the Waterloo and City line. There are part closures on the District and Piccadilly lines and the DLR. There are minor delays on the Elizabeth line and the Victoria line. There is currently a good service operating on all other lines. 0720 Elizabeth line, service to Reading. Calling at Taplow, Maidenhead, Twyford and Reading. This train is formed of 9 coaches. Due to short platforms, passengers for Taplow should board the front 8 coaches. Passengers for Twyford should board the front 7 coaches. There are usually plenty of seats available on this service. This train is currently at Slough.